background right now is 5 microwatts, and the peak is around 50. I'm gonna reset the max here and see what happens when I turn on the microwave. Got some potatoes in there, and now this is the reading coming from about a meter away, 3 feet. Peak is at 40,000 microwatts, 44 milliwatts. The average is around 3 milliwatts per meter squared, and the max hit 135 as I was around it. And as I get closer, the scale jumps up to the average, goes up another order of magnitude, up to 30 milliwatts per meter squared, and sets off the meter to extreme. And this is what it sounds like. So right now this is 2.45 gigahertz emissions being picked up by the Safe and Sound Pro 2. And so back to a meter away, and the reading is at about 10, down to 1 now, microwatt. And I'm just going to travel a little bit up to my front door and see what can be heard. So the signal can be detected from over here, say about 50 feet away. When I point the meter in the field's direction, I see that, well, I hear that the sound goes up, and then the average seems to change, and it's stronger with the field. And so this is the radiation that's being emitted from the microwave as it's on, and yeah, goes up and stays pretty high everywhere, really. And I set the microwave for 3 minutes, and we'll see what it goes back down to. I don't know where that 1 million came from. 1 million is 1 watt, and so this thing maxes out at 2.5 watts. And here we are back down to high to moderate. Average is down to 10 microwatts again. It was at 3,000 to 1,500 microwatts. And so this is what the background sounds like right now, the emissions without the microwave. And so I'm just going to turn the microwave on for another 30 seconds just to so that we can hear the signature. Okay. That was a demonstration of the microwave radiation from my microwave, really.